Hey everyone, it's Alex with Tucker. In this video, I want to talk about single stage filtration, known as deionization, or commonly referred to as DI. So who is DI only good for? It's good for those window cleaners or solar panel cleaners that live in areas that have fantastic water quality. We're talking 100 parts per million of total dissolved solids, or TDS, or less. So if that's you, we have some great choices for you. We have our Tucker mobile DI system and also our Tucker DI in a cubic foot vessel. So which one of these would be a good option for you? So if you're a company that offers a different service and just have it as an add-on, maybe you only have situations where you know you're going to only use it maybe 4 times a year, then I would recommend getting the Tucker Mobile DI system. When you buy this, it would already have its 4x30-inch cartridge inside filled with resin. So simply take it out of the box and essentially it's plug and work. All you do is stick a hose into it, then have your pull tubing or hose reel on the other side, and you can get to work. Now, if you're going to be using DI only more frequently, maybe even daily, then I would recommend our Tucker DI cubic foot vessel. Now, unlike our mobile DI system that already has resin inside of it, this will come to you where assembly will be required. So you'll need to put the resin inside, and for that we have a great video done by Max explaining how to fill the resin. Why would you want to go with this option versus the mobile DI system if you're going to be using it more frequently? I mean, if this is good for 100 parts per million or less, why do we have to go with this or this versus the other? Well, I have some numbers here for you. Turn my iPad back on. So if say you're in an area that has frequently 50 parts per million, the mobile DI system, this one in particular, will produce 940 gallons of pure water before it needs to be exchanged. When you take a look at the full cubic, that same 50 parts per million coming into it, this will last you 3,767 gallons before that needs to be exchanged. So obviously you're going to get a lot more life out of your resin with a full cubic versus the smaller system. So if you know you're going to be using it quite frequently, I would definitely go with this option. It's going to require less DI changes. This will be a little more costly. You do have a couple of options. You have a pre-filled resin cartridge that you can slide in there, or you can get a refillable resin cartridge and fill it with your own resin. So options there. This one, simply when you're done with this, open it up, flush out the old resin, pack it with new resin, then you're cleaning again for a long time. So hopefully this gives you an idea of which system would be right for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. All our contact information will be in the description below. Thank you and have a great day.